All right. All right, guys. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Welcome to today's live stream. Welcome to today's live stream. Welcome. And today we are going to talk about a very important topic in trading. We're going to talk about support and resistance. Right. Let's talk about support and resistance. Support support and resistance. All right, guys. So, what is support? What is support level? What is support? Support level is the level at the bottom of the chart where price has bounced at least two times. That's on the when you are talking about charts. While the resistance level is a higher level of the chart where price has bounced, has reversed. Let me use that word, has reversed at least two times. Two times. So this level right here is support, is resistance. Sorry, this level right here is resistance, and this is resistance. Then this is support. This is support, and this is support. So, why is this level so important? That those levels are so very important because that is the levels. The support level is the level where buyers have rejected that price has entered at least two times. While the level of resistance is the level where sellers have entered a number of times. It means that the support is a point of interest for buyers. When you understand support and resistance, you'll be able to even trade. You'll be able to trade without the all those confusing concepts, ICT, IFT, SMC. You don't, you don't really need them. All you need is how to identify support and identify resistance. That's all you need to know to learn how to trade. So if you are watching this video later, you are going to thank me for showing you this secret. There are traders that I know that the only thing they trade is support and resistance. So how do you make use of support and resistance in your trading? And using support and resistance is so easy that even if you don't know anything about the market, you'll be able to trade with support and resistance. Now, on a larger scale, on a chart scale, this is support. I'm trying to move this. On a chart level, this is support, 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 and this is resistance, resistance, resistance. Or however, on a candlestick level, any point, where are my candlesticks? So let me copy some few candles here. So on the candlestick level, any point in the chart that you see two opposite candles together, something like this. If it is like this, then this is resistance. The candle has created resistance. So this point like this is the resistance point. So this particular point, resistance has been created here. Then same thing for the selling position. Let's say, for example, you have something like this and you have something like this. Now, at this point, support has been created at this point. So that is on a candlestick level. So this is resistance and this is how to identify support. That's how to identify support. And why is this support and resistance so important? I'm just going to go straight to the point. Why are they important? See, anytime a candle closes above, resistance, anytime a strong candle closes above resistance region, something like this. So if you have something like this, a strong candle closes above, there's a high probability that the next candle will go up to the next point of resistance. Then same thing for the sellers. Same thing for selling pressure. Anytime candle closes below support level. So this will probably be something like this. It's long, but probably be something like this. So a strong candle that closes significantly above resistance signifies that this candle is going to continue up, like the price is going to continue up. Then a red candle that significantly closes below support means that price will go further down. And note that the wick of the candle also determine how strong that break is. So that's the only thing you need to consider. So if this candle closes without a wick, so let's say for example there's a wick at the bottom, same thing for this guy, there's a wick at the bottom, there's a wick at the bottom but no wick, sorry, there's a wick at the top but no wick at the bottom. It means that there's a 50-50 chance. Let me just write this down. No wick reduces the chance of uh, trend continuation. No wick, no wick reduces your chance. Then long wick. So no wick chance is like 50-50. 50-50. So a very long wick reduces the chance to like your chance is like 40/50 because the long wick would mean rejection. So for example, if this guy at the support level moves something like this, means that there are buyers along this region. So at this region means that there are buyers there. And anytime price tries to come back to that particular region, let's say for example, uh, price tries to move again close to the region, it's going to start from here, and price tries to touch this region again, you start seeing hesitation. So hesitation is something like this. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. Then all of a sudden you might see something like this. Boom, it goes back up and turns green. So long wick reduces your chance, but a very short wick increases your probability to to um about 80 to let's just say 70-30, means that you have 70% chance of winning that particular 70% chance that price will continue in the direction of the breakout candle. So that is all you need to know about support and resistance. And with this information, you can trade with this information and discipline and a little bit of psychology, you can trade the market successfully. Just learn how to identify support and resistance at the candlestick level and on the chart level, and know when price breaks support and when price breaks resistance. So that's how to trade. And like I said from the beginning, if you are watching this video later, you're going to thank me for giving you this valuable information. All right. So that's the end of our tutorial for today. So let's go into trading. Let's see what we got today. go into trading. So trading. All right, so we started the challenge of discipline. So the challenge is fix over trading challenge. On Monday, I'm going to change the title of this video to fix over trading challenge, so that um, it will align with the goal for the live stream. So to fix over trading, we've decided to follow this rule: hard stops, hard stop rules. So you have daily trade limit, one session per day, entry limit, three entries per day, loss limit, two entries, and session limit, one session, and emotional limit, one entry. Emotional limit means that after one entry, if you feel like you don't want to continue trading, feel free to stop, and that will be all for the day. So I'm taking my three trades today using support and resistance. So on this chart, I'm going to mark out few things for you guys. So look at, so this is one support here, but look at another one. Sorry, resistance. This is resistance level. And what happened at this level when price got back to the level? Price pushed down, was pushed down. Then the next place price is going to go is the resistance level. So essentially, price moves between support and resistance, or demand and supply. That is how price moves. Demand and supply. So the basic demand and supply law that you learned from school is also applicable here. So let's say this particular candlestick closes above this region, then we know that there's a high probability for price to continue to go up. Then also I'm going to look for another currency pair because of the payout. Payout is small. So look at this also. Look at this. This is our last support. This was our last support, and it was significantly broken. Now let's observe this candle, this moving candle. If it closes without a wick, then we have 50-50 chance. See, closes without a wick, then we have 50-50 chance of price continuing down, of this candle to go down. But if it closes with a small wick, our chances has increased. So that's all about the strategy. So you can see what I'm saying. The price can go either up or down because there was no wick, because there was no shadow in the breakout candle. And you can see that it's going up, it's going up. I'll come back to this, I'll come back to this chart and see how it closes. But for now, I'm just going to continue checking the market, checking for a good currency pair. So look at this level of support turned resistance. So when a support level is broken, it turns to resistance level. So look at this level, is holding, it's trying to hold, and we can calm down, and if price is going to continue lower, we can follow the uh, follow the bearish candle. All right, let me go back to that currency pair and see what happened. So later came down, yeah. So and it is coming down to another support level. So this is another support, and the resistance level at the resistance level there's a double top. So double top is a strong reversal pattern. Double top is a strong reversal pattern. All right, so I'm going to look for other pair. Looking for other currency pair. What happens if I did not see a good currency pair? I might just call it a day and would continue tomorrow. Sometimes no trade means no trade is also part of discipline. So look at this level of support. Is it going to be broken? Yeah, so because of this high momentum, this level might be broken, but I would wait for price to close below it before I make that decision whether to follow. Because if it breaks this level, then we still have a lot of chance. We still have, where's my epic 2? So look at the region, look at the support region. Now it is broken. So we have, yeah, so it is broken now. And we can wait for price to touch this place, or if it keeps going down, uh, so I'm just going to enter. After all, we only have three trades. We only have three trades to take. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting price to move to this level, like this. So if price is going to come to that level, then we're good. So it's going back to test the support. Now the support will become resistance. So the overall, I'm waiting for price to, I'm expecting price to come back to that level. I'm expecting price to come to that level. Let's see how this trade is going to close to determine our next trade. So we're waiting. Actually, I'm supposed to at least wait for price to get to this level, but it's all good. So we're waiting, and this one is about to be a loss. So what would price do after this? I don't know, because I'm expecting price to continue. And okay, I think because there was no week, it reduces our chance. I would have watched out for the week. But however, I looked at this selling pressure from here. That was why I entered. So there's a selling pressure here. Since the sellers are no longer in the market. So this is what we call fake out. Fake out. Alright, so I'm just going to look for another currency pair. So price has reacted here and to probably go further down. We go further down because it has reacted here and there's also a pullback here. So look at this pullback here. So I'm expecting price to push down. I don't know why it's not pushing. Expecting price to push down, push down. Yeah. So that's what I'm expecting. Expecting a further push. Yeah, there's going to be a further push. There should be a further push down. Yeah. Yes. So this next candle again has no wick. It has reduced our chance of getting of selling. Well, however, if the pressure is high, you can still continue down, but uh, I think I should let it go because also remember I said support level is where you see two opposite candles. So look at this level. This is also a support level. This is one, and we have another level here. So look at it. There's another level here. So all these levels may react, price may react at all those levels. And this candlestick closed without a wick, which has already reduced our chance of getting trend continuation. So we're basically moving, and but if this candle closes below this region with a wick, then I'll probably enter the next candle after breaking the wick of this one. So I'm waiting for this candle to close. Wait for it to close. So it has gotten to the next. So it closes without a wick also. Uh, Let me look at the overall trend. You know, it's a little bit dicey and it kept going down. Maybe it's because of this momentum at the bottom. Kept going down, going down, going down, going down. So I think I've missed out on that trade, that entries. I'm just going to look for another one. I hope I'm not going to miss out again. So This is a support that has been created. If this candle is going to close below the support, then the next candle has a very high probability of continuing the downtrend. Yeah, so wait for this next candle to show. So we'll probably come and retest that place. Yeah, yeah, retest, retest the support, and yeah. So it's not testing, it's not going up. That was why I entered. So may go up later, but in already, and let's see how price is going to play out. Let's see what price is gonna do. I still have confidence that it will continue downward because I can see that that region is being rejected. So let's see, has it done this kind of thing before? Uh, so I'm pretty convinced that this candle is going to close bearish. Convinced that it's going to close bearish. I don't know why it kept staying here. Supposed to have been rejected by now. Yeah, reject, reject, reject. Maybe it's a 9-minute rejection that he wants to give us. Well, I'm expecting it to have rejected by now. Reject. Oh, last 15 seconds. It's not going to reject. So, I think that's all for today. So I had three entries, one win, two losses. Um, so we call it a day, and next trade is going to be on Monday, and I hope to see you guys there on Monday. Before we go, if you have any question, you can ask. Any question? Do you have any question? This particular candle was very painful. Like, I didn't know why I did not enter here and here. I don't know why. Yeah, but it's all good. So, in the absence of no question, then we can call it a day. And I'm going to see you same time on Monday. And we're going to be taking another set of trades, another set of three trades again. Uh, all right, bye for now, guys. My name is Ephlat. I teach, mentor, and I trade forex. All right, so see you on Monday.